This is called the frozen waterfall. I imagine it's pretty frozen in the winter, most of the year maybe. Well, it's April now, so I guess it's not frozen now. Walk down this trail where I had to go down some pretty steep snow hills, and I'm gonna have to go up them again. I ended up sliding down the hill. Now I'm gonna have to go up that same hill. I'm not looking forward to that. These pants are gonna be soaked. So look at this stream, it goes further. And this is where the trail ends, where that ledge is. Right here. I'm not going to go in the water. Okay, cool. Iceland, the frozen waterfall. There we go. I'm going to put this on YouTube. So hey, if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you like it and subscribe. Maybe I'll be a YouTuber someday, like for a job. Who knows? That would be cool. At least a side job, a little extra money, that would be cool. Alright, see ya next time.